Hello everyone, I am architect Lakshmi Magdum and she is architect Tanvi Sawant. We are
Hi.
two architects by profession and passionate storytellers.
So we just finished off a meeting. So basically, we are collaborating on projects here and there. And we just finished off a meeting. We were just discussing how everything went and all. So just thought about it. Why not to record it and see how everything happened?
Yeah, and it's just that we organically came with a plan that we'll work together and we'll just navigate through things कि
Yes.
कैसे आगे हम कर रहे हैं कैसे काम जा रहा है and it was very impromptu जैसे आज का भी हमारे बहुत impromptu shoot है
Yeah. So basically, collaborating and everything was your idea.
sort
Collaborating
of.
for the work and let's
all,
work
yes,
together. So from where did that all come?
You can say it sort of made an impact on me. I was in college and I graduated from Rizvi College of Architecture. And वहाँ पे we had very young dynamic faculties. So तभी तो मतलब ठीक है friends है batchmates है हम तो कर रहे हैं काम group projects है. But then I got to know that a few of our faculties have a firm together called PYHT, Put Your Hands Together. And that time I was like, oh nice, because it was really cool. क्योंकि normally ऐसे होता है कि competitive exams है अपने जैसे नाटा बोल लो या एनी इन एनी फील्ड इफ यू गो टू सी सो फिर उस हिसाब से ऐसे होता था कि ओ फ्रेंड्स मतलब साथ में काम इज इट रियली सो वो कॉन्सेप्ट मुझे बहुत कूल लगा एंड देन द फैक्ट दैट if you're friends in start you know each other very well you know their pluses minuses you know कौन कब क्या बोल सकता है कौन कब क्या नहीं बोल सकता है so if I don't speak sometimes I know she will speak एंड इफ आई नो कि कोई कुछ बोला तो ये अगर सपोज चिढ़ने वाली होगी आई कैन टेक थिंग्स इन माई हैंड्स एंड वाइस वर्सा यू नो ईच अदर वेल एंड इवेंचुअली व्हेन यू वर्क टुगेदर यू बिकम अ फैमिली यू ऑलरेडी अ फैमिली इफ यू गो टू सी बट वो और अच्छा ऑर्गेनिकली होता है एंड यू डोंट हैव टू डिवाइड थिंग्स लाइक हाउ वी आर वर्किंग इन द प्रोजेक्ट नाउ वी नो कि हमें ये मीटिंग है
अपने आप से डिवाइड हो जाता है
हाँ अभी मीटिंग में गए थे वी टुक द रिक्वायरमेंट्स एंड एवरीथिंग एंड वी कुडंट गेट टाइम to discuss things. We were just in our own selves, we were tired and both of us organically divided things in our own minds कि हम मैं ये कर लूंगी. We didn't even think what the सामने वाला person is going to do and वो हो गया organically and the next time we actually spoke the other day or we met in a couple of days we were like oh I have done this so वो amalgamation भी हो जाता है.
You yourself divide and conquer.
And it's not just कि friends in architecture is a very unique thing. I think friends working anywhere is a very unique thing.
And it is best.
It's a blessing in disguise, accept it or not.
Yeah, मतलब हाँ, why not to
भले
work together?
working वाला idea तो मेरा था because I didn't even ask you.
Yeah, she didn't even ask.
I didn't even ask her. I was like,
she committed on her own. Yeah, we two of us are there. We work and we get things done.
I just marketed us. And then हम करते हैं ऐसे है she has done vastu vishara she is vastu pandit she has immense knowledge in color therapy interiors and all and all I'm doing architectural practice I have said it all and I have not asked her are you available are you not available are you free do you want to do you do not want to and then I just told her we have to do this is project यहाँ पे ऐसे requirement है and yeah it's like she is on board without even asking. It's like she's subscribed to it. And the fact कि हम वैसे तो बहनें हैं but I like the friendship वाला bond more that we've rediscovered each other and the fact that we can talk about anything and everything.
Yes, that is so true and that again helps. Like we started becoming friends from the point where we started ranting about our work, ranting about our life, ranting everything, ranting everywhere, all of that thing. So that somewhere brought the friends in us up.
Yeah, and you know what happened today? That spilling of the tea thing.
Yes.
And then waving at each other, stop talking, the ingredients are walking in.
So yeah, so since Friendships Day is around and Friendships Day is on the
corner.
Yes,
we are just there.
Yeah.
So we thought of telling you guys that even though work part is mine, मैंने बोला इसे कि हम साथ में काम कर रहे हैं. So that's how she also came with another idea that we are also working together for one more thing. So we are here to announce that we are starting a podcast. Now this is not going to be some ordinary podcast wherein we'll be just talking about things or discussing life. It's going to be about art, architecture and interior for
And
everyone. And life is in between. It's like रिकाम्या जागा भरा.
Bhara. And we ourselves are also exploring,
Yeah.
and you guys will also explore with us.
So
I
it's for
guess.
anyone and everyone, be it you're from this field or not, or you're just probably some curious mind who wants to explore it with us.
Just
So-
someone who just likes to
Listen.
learn about everything, listen about
Yeah, so-
everything, probably like that.
So it's for everyone and anyone. We are going to make it informal and more welcoming to you all. We are not going to give any history class because we are also done with that.
Yeah.
मतलब बहुत हो गया.
We are just rediscovering everything and having our own opinions and
Yeah.
our own interpretations on few things, and probably looking everything through our own lens or our own perspective, probably like
Yes.
that.
And हमने अभी तक बहुत कुछ सीखा है और अभी भी सीख रहे हैं.
Yeah.
And we are going to learn till we die.
Yes.
So it's like हमने जो सीखा है, we really want to discuss it with everyone and give insights to each and every one. So that is why we are putting it up together. It's called Baithak, the Design,
Design
Sutra,
Sutra.
Design Dialogue Discovery. So it will be airing super soon. Do stay in touch. Do stay updated with our Instagram page. So our Instagram handle
And
is
show love.
yeah, show love. And our Instagram handle is Baithak, the Design Sutra. So आप उसे follow करिए, आपको उसमें बहुत सारे updates दिए जाएंगे. And also we have a YouTube channel. We will be dropping the link in the description. So do follow us and share it with your near and dear ones because we do want feedback from people, and that is how we will grow. And it will
Yeah.
help us also to know that how the audience is looking at this podcast and आपको क्या explore करना है.
So since we collaborated, और collaborated मैंने बहुत बड़ा term हो गया, like पहले ही काम कर रहे हैं हम, but
Yeah.
ठीक है.
We have
नहीं
worked
जाना
on individual projects, and कभी कुछ लगा तो obviously
Yeah.
Tanvi what to do, Lakshmi what to do. That is normal. But
And that we have taken help from each other in many areas, right? Like I too have taken help from her during my academical work as well. So
yeah,
from that time we have been taking help, but then this is a collaborative work which both of us are doing at the same time. So we would like to get some insights from you guys, probably. Just may you tell us who all are the, or who all architects are there who inspire you. Probably they have worked together, and how beautifully they have come up with works, or they have come up there with their projects or their structures.
and how दो लोग एक साथ या तीन लोग, when however it is working for people, but how beautiful the outcome is and how it have probably enhanced. Now when we see one structure we know कि अगर ये एक इंसान ने डिजाइन किया तो उसके perks जो है, उसके जो pros है वो दिख के आते हैं. But when the moment more people come in together, तो हर एक अपना अपना individuality भी add करता है. So how does that look? So we would like to know that.
Yes, do share that with us as well. So we'll see when we'll put it up later.
Yeah, क्योंकि हर रोज friendship day होना चाहिए.
Yes.
So with that logic, we are going to be screening everyone's feedback and we will be putting it up together soon. So do drop in the comments.
Chalo, bye then. See you.